This Apple's new 7th generation iPad. It's an update to that entry-level 9.7-inch iPad that's so familiar. Big changes here, new 10.2-inch display, support for the 1st generation Apple Pencil, and a keyboard connector for the smart keyboard case that Apple makes for its other iPads as well. The way I'm thinking about this is it's all of Apple's best stuff from years past, packed into a very familiar case for just $329. So you've still got a Lightning port, you've got a Touch ID home button, you've got the 1st generation pencil, the silly charging and the fiddly cap, and you've got Apple's older smart keyboard case, not the new flippy one that comes with the iPad Pro. And you've got an A10 Fusion processor instead of the newer A13X in the iPad Pro. So a lot of older stuff from the Apple catalog, but stuff that reviewed really well at the time. And for $329, it's a lot of bang for the buck. You can pre-order the new 7th generation iPad today. It'll start shipping at the end of September. So there's a lot of iPads now. The iPad mini starts at $399. This 10.2-inch iPad is $329. The iPad Air is $499, and the iPad Pro starts at $799. That is a huge spread of price points. You can kind of see what Apple's doing. Wherever you are, however much money you have to spend, there's an iPad for you. This iPad in particular seems very targeted. It's somebody who might buy a Chromebook or a cheap Windows laptop instead. You get the full set of iPad apps, the whole ecosystem. You get the pencil support. And you get things like Apple Arcade, which lets you play an enormous amount of games for $4.99 a month. That's stuff Chromebook can't do. It's a pretty big and aggressive move from Apple. Again, some older specs, but compared to those cheap Chromebooks or a cheap Windows laptop, seems like a very interesting product. We've got to review the whole thing. We're going to do that. We'll come back and let you know.